Happy 70th birthday, Daddy.
Thank you.
Anong masasabi niyo na birthday niyo?
Masasabi ko lang maraming salamat sa sponsorship ni Mona Lini. Napakabuti nilang mga anak at kami ay pinasaya, ginastusan dito sa California. Yun lang po.
Daddy, pakiulit, di pala nagre-record.
Oh, happy anniversary to us!
Oy, happy 45th anniversary, guys!
Salamat ng maraming sa Diyos.
45
Kami
years.
nagkaroon ng anak, katulad ni Mona Lisa at ni Neil. Thank you so much for your kindness, your being gracious to us, your generosity. Thank you so much.
Okay, behind the scenes.
Pakakainin pa raw kami sa Thai restaurant.
Laundry Thai. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng parents na kung kumain parang walang bukas. Joke.
Uy, alam mo, isang araw. I-off mo na nga yan.
Nandito tayo sa future neighborhood natin. Miramontes. Look at the house, oh. So nice. Wow, laki, oh. Maraming tao. Oh, look at Ritz-Carlton. A Ritz-Carlton car. Room 839. Ta-da-da-da-da. Oh, katabi natin ang ice. Oh. Wow. Wow, ganda. Ito lang pala siya. Maliit lang siya. Oh, ito pala yung CR. Wow, ganda. Hoy! Yan, oh. Ay. Pakipatong na lang sa mga counter. Yeah. I mean yung mga bags sa sahig. Yeah, yo. Dalawa nga.
It's so beautiful.
Ay! Wow! Condiment kit. Oh, with the 2 creamers, 2 sugars. Okay. So, ano yan? Nespresso yan.
Oh, wait, that actually looks like so much.
Oh, may beverage. Ano rin pala eh.
It's a beverage. Oh my god, I remember when we went to like the hotel with the Lane of Hawaiian and there was like shelves just for like this plane and we had to like is it your mama? I want to see shelves. Wait, these are straight from
Wow, laki naman ng TV. Wow, fireplace. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo!
Daddy, come on. We will sing to you. We will sing to you. We have cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lolo. Happy birthday to you. Wish.
I would like to thank everyone for this beautiful day, and thank you to Neil and Mona for the one night stay, courtesy of Neil and Mona, one night stay.
Yay.
At Ritz-Carlton Hotel.
Wow.
Plus
Wait.
all the expenses they paid to celebrate my 70th birthday here in
Yay.
California.
You're welcome.
My wish have more years to spend together.
Yay!
And my years with my daughters and grandchildren.
Yay!
Okay?
Blow the cake!
Yay! Oh, kaya blow, kaya blow. Oh. You happy birthday to you. Blow kaya. Go.
Yay!
Yay!
pala ito. Sino mo
Just jam.
bibigay nito?
I bought that.
Okay, okay.
Wine.
Cheers ng wine.
Cheers.
Okay, inom. Parang wedding, inom. Okay, tas after niya magkikiss. Mami, magkikiss! Kasi uminom kayo eh. Aya, yeah!
Ay, hindi ko makita ang lips eh.
Ay, ano ba yan?
Okay lang.
Wacky.
Waki. Waki waki.
Kaya wacky. Wacky.
Kaya waki.
There's only one person doing wacky.
Hi! Oh, wow! Wow! Parang pupunta sa Hawaii. Smile! Cry! 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 Waki! Mag-sweet-sweetan kayo. Look at each other's eye. Look at each other's eyes. Yan. Kasi magtitigan kayo na para kayong first time magkakilala. Kilig na kilig.
Lola, magpuputol ka ng buhok sa ito.
Bakit na ba yun nahaba?
Lolo, ano na naman yan? Nasa kamay nyo.
Almond.
Uy, parang busog na kayo sabi nyo.
Eh, hindi naman nakakabusog to almond.
1, 2, 3, smile! Wow! O, mag-high five kayo, mag-high five. High five. Ayan na naman! Ayan na naman!
Huwag ka na mag-ano nag-video kaya na background na naman ang kaya. $1 plan?
Nasaan? Where's the $1 million plant?
That is
Oh, this is my plant, I guess.
that starts that.
How old is the tree? Oh, siguro 100
That's
years
a
na.
high.
Okay, let's go.
Flowers na, flowers. Kasama yung Rich Carlton na yun, oh.
Oo nga.
Yun ang background.
Tan, 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 tan. Tan, 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 tan. Jump!
Yes.
Jump!
Oh, siya, kasama siya.
Hey, smile!
Ay, naku, bumaba
Ang layo mo yata.
Okay. Read!
You should put Lolo in the stroller.
Sama. Jump, 1, 2, 3. Ella. Smile. Batang Ritz Carlton. Okay, nandito kami sa Ritz Carlton elevator. Bale, dito kami tutulog kasi ito lang yung na-afford namin na room. Ayan, ang ganda oh. Very roomy, spacious. So, siguro ganito ako tutulog.
Ano ba?
Okay, go, yeah. Go. Third floor, lobby. Okay, let's go. Nakikita niyo ba itong snake plant na to? Kasi laki to ni mommy.
Ganda ng paso eh.
Ritz Kids. 1, 2, 3, smile. 3, smile. Wow, laki ng mga fire pit.
Hanggang sa medyo masettle yung ating lamig.
Wow, dito na tayo sa jacuzzi. Okay, tapos na kami mag-swim and jacuzzi. Super ganda ng Ritz-Carlton's restroom. Bathroom. Si Mama tuwan-tuwa sa jacuzzi. Parang ninalapnas yung balat. Look at the view, guys. Ito pala ang Rich Carlton. Okay, ako si Lola Alice. Ito pala ang Rich Carltons. Ayun o. Rich Carltons.
It's the scissor.
Ay, ako.
Lalo naging idol ako sa pagiging mabuting tao rin niya yun. Thank you, Ate. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy 70th birthday to you. Picture and an invitation to the fullest. Wish you to always.
Not actual voice nakalagay eh.
God bless you always. And also, happy wedding anniversary to both of you. Si Mona talaga ang pinakamaganda yung anak. Kaya first of all, I want to greet you. Happy birthday. I just want to thank you for always welcoming us in your house in the true brother son.
Suot ang kanyang helmet.
Yeah.
Man, love, friends.
Give us a few thousand daw.
Ako naglalaban mga yan. Mga damit nila.
Tingnan natin.
I'm really happy.
Oh, how fancy. Nespressoing this morning.
You know what? You have to do it like this. You're supposed to do it so.
Good morning!
Good morning.
This is Daddy.
Bili tayo ng ba? Uy, ganda ng kapo na niya.
Pasosyal ka pa.
Siguro wala na
So, ginawang ano oh.
Hindi na magsisisi si Neil na katulad ni Kim at Jensa. Enjoy niya ang kanyang mga anak.
Give the...
Uy, pwede mag-rent ng bike.
Holding on for dear life.
Bye, Kaya. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng room. Sarap patulog sa kama.
Ay, hindi ka pa pumasok dito hapon?
Pumasok sa sandali. Oh wow, you have a cute alarm clock, radio. Cute naman, ba't kami wala? Nung ano nila, pot. To, electric pot.
Electric pot ba yan?
Hindi, ano to? TV to, mami. TV.
Electric pot? Bo?
Kasi nga, para gumawa ka ng iyong tea. Time to eat the chocolates. Ooh, yummy. Spin who's gonna get number 1.
One, I want the pink one. Yes.
Oh, okay. Ate's gonna pick number 2.
No.
You're gonna be the 4th one. Gonna pick. I wanna see what I'm gonna get.
It's rigged.
6th one to choose. I'm gonna be the last.
Oh, spin.
Let's see if Mama's gonna be the first one to pick the chocolate.
Oh!
Phil! You're number 5. Daddy's gonna be...
Big money, big money, big money, big money, big money, big money. What is that?
Daddy's first!
Take the pink one. Don't pick the pink one.
Daddy's gonna be the first to pick the chocolate from Ritz-Carlton. Ano, B?
Kamusta naman yung mga properties natin sa Ayala?
Properties? Anong properties? Ay, yung anak mo kumakain ng chicken nuggets, oh. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay. Oh, may tinatanaw pa. Wow. Just point the chocolate that you want. You don't have to eat it.
Oh, I also don't pick the pink one, but I don't know if that's her technique for me not to pick it, so she'll pick it. So,
Yeah.
But maybe that's her technique, so I'll think that she's doing reverse psychology. So I will pick it.
Yeah.
Actually, the green one looks nice.
Okay, that's Daddy's.
Oh
Patingin
no,
nga na
it's
ilalim.
white chocolate. I didn't know it's white.
Sacrifice.
Okay, sorry, Daddy. Second.
Okay, this might be mint.
What's under? Ay, no, Kaya, allergy. That's allergy. Okay, blue one. Sino?
Sa akin eh. Orange ba to yung ano? Yeah.
No! Mama, pick mine! Joke. Okay, tikman nyo, Ma, anong flavor?
Parang orange.
Oh, orange. Okay. What's the ilalim? Okay, chocolate.
Milk chocolate. Milk chocolate.
Ito na lang sa akin.
Let's try to pick, but she's not gonna eat it.
I don't like cherry.
I picked the simplest one and I got the most delicious one. Yay! kami ng clam chowder dito sa Barbara's Fish Trap. Teka, ito na nga pala ang kapatid ni Barbara, si Nanette Inventor. Oh, Nanette.
Ka talaga. Lingchak na yun.
Ngayon pupunta tayo dito sa kapatid mo si Barbara.
Ay nako, mabuti at matitikman ko rin ang kanyang clam chowder. Na pinunta lang namin ni Lolo dito sa Amerika.
Okay, 68 na si Mami. Qualified na siya dito sa senior 62 and over.
Tingnan, picture mo.
Okay, smile guys. Akin yan.
Condiments, ketchup. Okay,
Octopus.
Ano yung ayaw niya?
Ayaw niya ng legs. Gusto niya yung rings.
What's up? Papa, ouchie.
Taste the
I want ouchie.
You can.
Nainisip ko kung ilalagay ko ba?
Olen, hindi.
I want that one. Ito
Oyster cracker sa kinakain.
oyster crab.
Grabe, may legit pa ba dito? Kumakain si na daddy ng ano, clam chowder by the bay.
Talaga. Thank you, Mona. Thank you, Nia.
Thank you, Mona. Thank you, Neil.
Extension to ng birthday celebration kasi wala ako kahapon.
Oo nga eh.